The beginning of the new year is a great time to make updates to your website. And one that is easily overlooked is updating your website copyright date. Keeping this updated is really important for legal protection, for maintaining relevance, and for building that trust in your brand and your business. But how do you do it, right? Well, there are various ways to update your copyright date based on the website platform that you are on. Now, as a Showit website designer who helps creatives and coaches build strategic websites without spending months on DIY overwhelm or wasting money on a designer who doesn't understand how to convert visitors into customers, today I'm going to be giving you a quick tutorial on how to do this in Showit. And just like everything else on the Showit platform, it's super simple to do. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is log into your Showit account, and then you're going to make sure you're on your home page, and you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. I'm going to put this on desktop view so you guys can see it better. And you're going to go to your footer. And then if you hover over the middle, this little blue button should pop up that says Edit Footer. You're going to click on that. And then you're just going to find your copyright section. Mine is right down here. And you're simply going to click into it and click right where this is and just simply change that 3 to a 4. That's all you have to do to update the date for 2024. And it's as simple as that. There's no coding needed or anything like that. You're going to wait till these buttons make sure that they're done updating. Then you're going to get a little check mark that says saved. See right there. And then you can click publish and know that it's done. Now, if you have one of my templates, you're always going to have this copyright section there for you. If you have a Showit template that doesn't have that, you can simply add in some text and put that in there because it is very important. Now, this is a site canvas, your footer. So once you change it in one place, it should populate on all your other pages. The last thing I want to show you, and it just depends on how your site's designed or how you designed it, but for me, I have separate text here for my desktop that's separate from the text for my mobile, just the way I needed it laid out. So when I changed it on desktop, this is a whole different thing here. If you go into the canvas, you can see like my copyright and stuff is only on my mobile. So I have to change it here too. You may not need to, but if you purchased a template from someone, you might want to check and just make sure it's updated on your mobile as well as your desktop, okay? And then once these 3 lines populate, again, you'll click publish, and then you should be set for the new year. It's a super easy update that will get you ready for the new year and keep that credibility and trust when people come to your site. I hope that information was helpful to you. If you're looking to create a website or you are ready to completely redo your website on a new platform that is easy to use and update your site, make sure to check out my free live website without stress workshop. All the details are in the description below. I would love to help you get a site up and running that you can update on your own and one that turns visitors into leads and customers.